So guys, this is Dakar. I just finished the installation video about these fog LED lights from Lamonster. I did the test and I was like, I need to record a quick video. So this is the standard daylight. Now, ta-da! Today's video, I will show you the comparison actually with them on and off. And very quickly we will talk about these lights because I received a lot of questions from you from America, like what they are, where you can get them very quickly. And maybe guys in Europe, maybe you see like I have these on, not now, but on the video. So I'll tell you something about that. Of course, Martin the Vlogger, all of these things you can find on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And 2022 rules for all my videos: no video ads. How cool is that? And no bullshit around, straight to the point. So enough of this. Let's get started. So, are you ready? Let's make dark here. And by the way, do you know that the Dakar Bloody Mary third project is gonna be Mrs. Bits, and fourth, I don't know the name. All of the RYkers are fully loaded, and they are from my tour and rental agency, toursontree.com, Bratislava, Slovakia. You're riding with Martin, and it's close to the Vienna, Austria airport, so pretty nice city though. All right, enough of promos. Are you ready? Let's do it. So these are the kind of, let's say, standard. This is the standard daylight. Now, ta-da! How cool is this? And now there was a light. Now this is high beam, not much of an help. There we go. Bad. Let me take you to the front. All right, so one more time. These are the high beams, low beams, high beams, low beams. Ready? Ta-da! High beams. Ta-da! All right, it's quite smelly in here, so let's go outside. Let me tell you a little bit more. So guys, now you know like why I have a smile on my face. I was like, maybe the upgrade is gonna be good, but this is just insane. It's badass, it's brutal. So very quickly, Lamonster LED fog lights, you can throw them into a water and they will be still working. Lamonster puts the switch here. We have moved it because I can hide it, so we have it right over there. And as I said, I didn't know like what was the switch for because I wanted to have them always on. During the day, it's quite okay, but at the night, somebody is approaching you, you have to turn them off. They're brutal. Now, for you guys in the US, a lot of questions, where you can get these, what are these? Don't even bother. Those are standard lights for Europe because, well, we need to have them. It's in Australia and Asia, I think, as well. And the thing is, like, I was checking for some of you, and to get them, first of all, you need to order like 17 different pieces for each, and they cost 800 euros. So I don't think somebody or anybody will be ordering them. Now, the last thing, of course, only these we use as a daylights. These we use as high beams only, and they are ugly yellowish color. So the guys in Europe, if you see this, and guys in Australia, I have video how to do it. I have my own kit in case you would like to support the idea. So you can turn this very easy on. So I call this like a brutal maniac lightning combo. Guys, pretty straightforward video. In case you like what I do, go to the MartinTheVlogger.com and register, become a member, and you will always see like what type of new videos I'm doing. And sometimes, from time to time, there is a freebie or promotion. I'm not spamming people. And also, guys, one important thing. I'm putting Can-Am Spider and RYkER riders together. We have something like 8,000 euros raised for Ukrainian people. So everything is on MartinTheVlogger.com, how you can support, and we just directly supporting Ukrainian people. We don't give it to Red Cross or whatever, just direct support. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember, say no to the war and always have fun. Damn, that upgrade is good.